Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to show or hide the Preview Pane on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac. The process is exactly the same on all devices. The Preview Pane in Finder shows you a quick preview of the selected file. It can display details like file type, size, dimensions, and even a preview of the content without opening the file. This is especially helpful when you're browsing through images, documents, or videos. If the Preview Pane isn't visible, here's how you can turn it on. First, open any Finder window. Then, go to the top menu bar and click on View. In the drop-down menu, look for the option Show Preview. Click on it, and you'll see the Preview Pane appear on the right side of your Finder window, showing details and a preview of any file you select. If the Preview Pane is already showing and you'd like to hide it, just go back to the View menu and select Hide Preview. You can toggle this option on or off at any time based on your workflow, and that's how you show or hide the Preview Pane on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.